Okay, so today guys we're just going to talk about our JMACX coil conversion that we offer. People will see that we have a coil conversion listed online. Now this is basically the generic rear kit to convert your 79, 78 or 76 series to coils in the rear. So basically what you get with the kit is you obviously get the frame that takes all the componentry, side plates obviously. Now in the front there, those black items there, they're the 76 series version. So if you've got a 76 wagon, the side plates and the control arm boxes are different. With the kit, we do adjustable arms, upper and lower control arms. We do an adjustable panard. All of these are heavy duty items. Now at the other pallet, I'll just move over. Okay, so as part of that, that standard kit, we obviously have our sway bar with our sway bar links. We have our heavy duty chrome moly axles. They're a two-piece axle, so they have drive plates as well. Your coil spring seats for the rear of your cradle. We also do all of your bolts, so all your fuel line brackets, panard bolts, handbrake tabs, pin spacers, sway bar blocks for the rear sway bar. If it's an early model, it's a brake proportioning valve or DPF lines for the late model. Full instruction manual on how to fit it. Also comes standard with the basic kit is the rear track correction differential, which is a full fabricated differential, chrome moly spindles, 6mm plate, CNC finished. So the most heavy duty housing, production housing available for Land Cruiser. Now obviously we do these for a leaf sprung vehicle as well, but this one here is our coil spring conversion. You'll see here clearances are addressed. When your tyres are fitted to these guys, your shock tower actually sits up inside your rim pretty much, so you've got a lot of clearance under here. So there's nothing hanging down. Normally you would have leaf packs and that sitting down here, so a lot better clearance for off-road use, but also very heavy duty. Okay, so that's what we offer in our standard kit. Now, outside of the standard kit, we offer a GVM upgrade. So the JMACX GVM upgrade is a second stage manufacturer for Australia. So we can do a maximum of 100mm lift and 35-inch tyres at 3.9 tonne GVM with a 7400 GCM. So obviously we can get that GCM up as well because we are getting a higher rated housing. So if you look at the Toyota Land Cruiser, the factory GVM is 3300. The maximum axle load on a standard 79 is 3780. So now when we see GVMs going in excess of 3780, there's nothing been done to address the rear axle load. So last week we had two customers broken down in the middle of nowhere with snapped housings. Reason being is the housings have no more guts left in them, corrugated roads, heavy loads, big wheels, all of that contributes to failure. So in our GVM package we offer all of the standard kit, but on top of that what you get is front sway bar blocks to suit your lift. You can have an Ironman shock package, fantastic shock absorber, or we go to our custom made Kings with a 20 stage fully adjustable remote res. Kings brackets made out of 316 stainless. Upper control, rear panard, and that's for lifts over 50mm. Radius arms, so our radius arms, let's just go over there. Okay, so the JMACX radius arms are a CNC billet radius arm, and there's no welding on them. They are the strongest units around. You're not relying on welds, etc. They're also the same weight as a factory arm, so reducing that unsprung weight. We also option 2-inch line kits, or if you're over 2 inches, up to 4-inch braided line. So with that and the JMACX booster, you'll see gains in braking of about 30% or more. These are the coil springs. They're just a pair. We obviously supply full shocks, full coils with our GVM. That's a heavy duty pair there. And those guys there, you know, we've got guys running around, combined with the airbag pressures, 4.2 tonne. But at the moment, our GVM is 3.9. The other thing we offer too is a 3-inch exhaust, specifically for a JMACX system. But we also have a 3.5-inch 300 series torqued exhaust. So when you're talking GVMs have to be fitted by JMACX approved installer. They do have a federal government approval, but the kit is supplied, fitted and engineered by the installer. authorised by JMACX. So the difference between a basic kit and a GVM is vastly different, as you can see, but all of these parts bring us the requirement that we need to get that 4-inch lift, 35-inch tyres, you know, etc., and also those heavy loads. So hopefully that clears things up a little bit and helps people to see what's in our kits.